Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to use jQuery slideUp, slideDown and slideToggle functions on button click. See, this is a slideUp and slideDown functions in jQuery, and this is an example of slideToggle function. Here, first of all, you have to link the jQuery library here. Then we will write the slideUp, slideDown and slideToggle functions in the document ready function of jQuery. This is a div with ID slide div, and we have two buttons. Button 1 is for slide up the div, and it have its ID is slide up btn, and when we click on this button, this section of code will be executed. We will check the ID slide up btn is clicked. If it is clicked, we will run this function and we will slide up the slide div. This is a slide div. Then the second button, it has slide down but btn ID, and when we click on this button, this section of code will be executed. The on click event of the slide down btn, we will call the slide down function to slide down the div with ID slide div. This is the ID of the div and this is the ID of the button. This is the slide down function. Similarly, in the slide toggle, we have a button with ID toggle btn, and we will slide this div with ID slide toggle div. When we click on the button with ID toggle btn, this section of code will be executed, and we will slide toggle the div with ID slide toggle div. Thanks for watching this video.